Yes, welcome to Superstar Wrestling Figures, and today we have an unboxing video. First thing, I have this Target letter. Let's see what they sent me right here. Let's see. What is it? It says it's a gift card. For how much? This is a gift card, the Target store. 22 bucks. So Amazon refund, $22. So now I can go and get myself some new figures. And then we have this package right here from my friend D. Ewing from Woodbridge, Illinois. I think this is my boy Flying Brian, 2011. Great YouTuber, check him out, I recommend him. One of the best out there. I keep on telling everybody, you guys need to stop buying the little packages, because wasting so much money on these big packages. So nothing. Alright, what we have right here is let's see. First thing we have is a John Cena hat. This John Cena hat, I needed it for my blue John Cena. And then we have this bad boy. Yes. Elite 12 Kane. I've been looking for this guy everywhere. And my boy Flying Brian had a couple in his store. He picked it up for me. Pretty nice. Comes in with the voice box. Right here. Little piece of shit right here. Little small box. I don't know. But this figure looks awesome. One of the best figures that came out in the Elite series yet. It's this damn Kane. Wow. So much detail in this figure. It's incredible. People say the boots, I find the boots to be fine. Everything's fine on this figure. Yeah, so I seen a couple of customs they're doing with this, is painting it all red. Nah, I don't like it taking the arm off, put another arm and just making it like a new Kane. But nah, I like this Kane, old classic Kane. And you wonder why I want the hat. Put this down right here. The hat goes to this John Cena. You see? I needed it. Now I'm looking for some dog tags. If you guys have any dog tags for John Cena, let me know. That's what I'm missing out of this John Cena now. I need some dog tags. And yeah. I'm waiting on my friend also Viper Fan package. He said he sent it, but then he just told me the truth that he didn't send because he didn't want to get scammed. I never scam nobody, like I always say. I never scammed anybody in this community. I'm not known for being a scammer. I don't know why he said that or chose to say that or whatever, bro. But yeah, awesome Viper Fan, I'm waiting on your package, bro. I'm not mad or nothing, just send my package and we cool, bro. But next time, don't lie to me, just tell me the truth. And yeah, so I'm waiting on Corey Russell's other half of the package now. And I'm waiting on Triple E's 24's package. And that's it. Right, yeah. So, I got another trade going on with Mr. Aspire. I'm sorry, not Awesome Viper Fan is gonna send today. I'm sorry, not Mr. Aspire. He was the one that lied to me. But it's all good, bro. Send me my figures and we'll keep on trading, bro. All right, signing off, Superstar Wrestling Figures.
better call somebody.